Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am gonna show you one more time that how to create a poster, and this time I will be creating a poster of a famous character Sanjar, that is from Uyanis Buyuk Selcuklu TV serial, which is famous nowadays all over the world. So for that I have downloaded all the source images that I am using in this design. I will provide the links in the description and you can follow the link to download them. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. First of all, I will create a new document. For new document I will press Ctrl N, and then you can see the settings. It's 900 width by 1500 height, 300 pixels per inch. RGB color is the color mode and background contents will be white. I'll click on create. So here is the source file, you can say, on which I am going to work. So I will first of all press Ctrl 0, so the file is on 0 zoom. Now first of all I need the character on which I am going to create the poster. I have actually two images that I will use in the main poster, so I will open both of them one by one. So first of all I will use this one. This image is of the character that I am going to use. I will zoom in and select my character. Yes, it's looking good. So now I will mask it. First of all I will press Ctrl Shift and I, and now I will mask it, and now I will select the layer of the character and I will move it to the document where I am creating the design. So yes, here it is. Let's enlarge it to the size we need it. Yes, it is okay. I think it will work good here. So let's tick it. Now I will open another image of this character that I will be using in the design. I will show you how I will use this, but first of all let's select it. So I am done with the selection. Now I will press Ctrl 0 again, and I'll press Ctrl Shift I, and now I will take this character into my design here. Yes, I will enlarge it a little bit. Yes, okay. Let's turn this off. First of all we will work on this, but before that I will also place the background that I am going to use. So I will click on File, Open, and I will use this background. I will press Ctrl A and then just simply press V. I think I have to close the documents first that I don't need anymore. This one too, no. And now I will take the background into my design and I will adjust it according to the size of the document I am using. So I think it is good here. Let's click on OK. Now I will place it behind the character, and now I will give some adjustments to the character as well as to the background. Okay, now I will first of all group the layers, and then I will convert it to smart object, and then I will rasterize it. Okay, and now I will give some adjustments to it. I will select the character and then I will click on image, adjustments, brightness and contrast. I will lower the brightness a bit and I will increase the contrast. Now again on first of all let's auto tone it. Let's check if works okay. Let's check if it works okay. Yes, it's working very good, so I will not do any much changes to it. Let's do something like filter, camera raw filter, and I will give some detailing to it. So I will not change color much but a little bit, and then exposure I will decrease exposure a little bit, not much. I will increase the contrast, decrease the highlights, decrease the shadows to -6, and whites I will increase the whites and increase the blacks too. I will increase the clarity a little bit, not much, and dehaze too, little vibrance and little saturation. I will decrease the saturation a little bit, not that much but a little bit, and it's okay. Now it's matching the background. Now I will take the background layer and I will adjust it to, I will click on auto tone, auto contrast and auto color. No, it's not looking good, so I will press Ctrl Z, and something from filter, camera raw filter. Let's adjust it a little bit for more quality look. Okay, so it's very good for the poster now. Now I will turn this layer on, and now I will show you how I am going to use it in the design. I will press Ctrl and plus, and then I will, first of all I will adjust it to a little bit, image color, and now I will go to blend mode and change the blend mode to screen. Yes, it's looking good. I want this horse to be in the design too, so that's why I am adjusting it. So I think it's good now. Now I will place the logo of the TV serial. I will click on file, open, and then this logo. Now I will select it, Control A, or instead I will direct copy it from here. Sorry, I'll press V for the move tool, and then I will move it to the destination. I think I have to cross this one first. No. Yes, it's okay now. Now I will move it to the document, and I will place it somewhere here, not in the center of the poster, and I will change its color to white, and I will turn on bevel and emboss. Let's leave the stroke. Instead I will use outer glow of black color. Sorry, not color overlay, outer glow. Color overlay will be white, and outer glow will be black. Let's change. No, it's looking good on normal, so I will use this, and a little bit drop shadow will be there, normal, and I will change the color to black. I will adjust it. Yes, it's looking good now. It's looking good now. So I'll press OK, and now I will add the name of the character down here. For that I will select the type tool and I will write Sanjar. And I will take this layer of text above the character, and now I will adjust it according to my needs. I will press Ctrl T. Let's adjust it like something a little bold. I will use this text because it is looking good, and now because it is looking good. Okay, so now I will go and give some extra touches to the text to bevel and emboss, and I will increase it a little bit, and then stroke, maybe it will work. Yes, it's okay. And now I will click on outer glow, and then I'll press OK, and now I will add the first name of the character, which is Ahmed. So I will write Ahmed, and now I will change its styling to something like this, and I will now place it over A and R of Sanjar, and it looks good here. Yes, it's looking good. And now I will create some stars below this. For this I will go to custom shapes and we'll look for, yes, it will also work good for us. Let's change its color to white. I will press Ctrl J, copy it again, and now I will adjust them. Sorry, all of these are not selected, so that's why it's having problems. Now I will adjust them. Okay, they are good. Now I will place it a little bit down. Sorry. So our poster is ready and it's ready to be used. So that's all from today. If you like the video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't even forget to turn that bell notification on, so you will not be able to get new notification from my channel if you do not turn that bell notification on. So I hope you liked the video. That's all from today. Let's see you on the other side. Until then, bye bye.